काम दोन फॉर्म आज घातले for the nomination of the speaker's post, and we have proposed Anton DeCosta, seconded by Wenzy Viegas, and Carlos has also proposed and seconded by Crucial. So definitely democracy has to be vibrant and opposition also role खूप महत्वाचा. I thank my colleague Anton DeCosta for accepting what the opposition felt की एक healthy democracy स्पीकराचो post you have to be a neutral a custodian आसपाक जाय, and there has to be election. As we said, we were the first, the opposition have filed these two nominations, and I wish him all the best.
Because
100% though I spoke, Viresh is in Malinkhini and Vijay I have spoken, he could not come today, but he has said whatever we decide, he is going to stand with us. With whatever
so they are supporting you?
100%. All the 7 are going to, you are going to see it now on 24th. Ponchi starting.